Assalamu alaikum brothers and sisters, welcome to Masjid Sulaymān Bin Dawūd. Let me give you an update on phase 3 of the current work that's in progress. Alhamdulillah, through your kind donations and your du'as, we have now reached a stage where the outside base coat rendering has gone up, and on top of this, the outer coat will go inside. That's happened throughout the whole entire masjid. This has only happened through your kind donations and your du'as and the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As you can see, we have laid down the foundation for the extension of the masjid to be squared off. We're currently at damp course level, and InshaAllah, where you see here towards the right hand side, we have the stairs which will become the stairs down to the basement, which is the Wudhū area, and upstairs towards the left hand side, we'll have stairs which will lead up to the main maktab for the evening and weekend classes for our youth, InshaAllah. The sidewalk to the masjid will start off here, and inside will be the men's prayer area, and behind us where we're currently reading the brothers, that's where the main sisters prayer hall will be, InshaAllah. As you can see, brothers and sisters, there's a lot of work yet to be completed. We couldn't have got to where we are today without your du'as and without your donations. We now need everyone to respond, brothers and sisters. The masjid is in requirement of your donations and your du'as. This is our masjid, brothers and sisters. This is our children's masjid and our grandchildren's masjid. Alhamdulillah, we've made some great progress in the Wudhū area inside the basement. Come and take a look with us. We've ripped out all previous materials that was inside the basement. We're currently in a position where we've ripped out the previous flooring. We're now going to tank the basement, where we will waterproof the walls and insulate the floor, inshallah. We're currently on the first floor, where works, as you can see, are well underway. We've now reduced the ceiling height by 50 centimeters, which alhamdulillah has given us the opportunity to create a third floor on the top inside the attic. Come and have a look with us on the top floor. Alhamdulillah, brothers and sisters, we've created this wonderful space up in the loft. The steel beams are running from one end of the building to the other end of the building to support the roof. We've removed the previous walls which were here, which has now given us this beautiful space for us to use for the main masjid. As you can see, the steel frames are in place to support the structure of the building. Please don't miss out on this great opportunity to support your masjid, to support your community, and to support our locality. And this masjid, brothers and sisters, will be your masjid, it will be our masjid, it will be a masjid for our area. Previously, it used to be a pub, but now it's a masjid. 25 years ago, I moved into this area. I would never have thought there was a masjid going to be happening in our area, but alhamdulillah, through our du'as, through the du'as of our parents and the du'as of everyone around within the community, we now have a masjid which is in the heart of our community, and inshallah this will be for us to benefit, our children to benefit, and our children's children to benefit. Brothers and sisters, we are aiming to raise £100,000, and it's going to only happen through your generous donations and your generous du'as. We need 500 families to donate £200 towards the masjid renovations. Brothers, sisters, please respond. Your masjid needs you. Jazakallah, brothers and sisters, for your continuous support to Masjid Sulaymān Bin Dawūd. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
عبيدك من شتات في شتات أتاك وأنت تخبر بالنوايا جهول